truffle, sausage, and pasta, hugged in a creamy ricotta sauce. It's pasta Norcina, a name derived from the town of Norcia, where the dish was originated. Let's hop to the main ingredients. Sausage. We're using Norcia sausage here, made with a mix of wild boar and pork meat. And now for the truffle, another gem of Norcia. Fresh truffle can be found year-round, from the fine and expensive nero pregiato black truffles to the more common summer truffle, known as scorzone. We'll share some options in the video description. Keep in mind the price can vary a lot from, in quotes, affordable to extremely expensive. And finally, ricotta. Here we're using whole milk sheep ricotta. Step number 1, we put a pot of water on to boil. Then we remove the sausages from their casings and crumble them. Outside of Italy, choose a simple sausage with ingredients like wine, garlic, salt, and black pepper. Don't use the so-called Italian sausage with fennel, that is not Italian at all. Norcia is so well known for its cured meat that the term norcino in Italian has referred to a butcher and a producer of fine meats since ancient times. Norcia is a splendid place to visit, sandwiched between the Valentine and the Sibillini Mountains in Umbria region, known also as Italy's Green Heart. In the woods on Norcia you can find lots of deer, boars, also the famous tartufo nero pregiato, the finest of all black truffles. The sausage is ready, so we prepare a little soffritto of onion. A soffritto in Italian cooking is a sauté of aromatics like onions, garlic, carrots, celery, and herbs. The soffritto forms the base for many sauces and dishes in Italian cuisine. Our onions are soft and translucent, so in goes our sausage. Now we deglaze the pan with a splash of white wine. Here we're using a Pinot Grigio. Great! Mamma mia, it smells phenomenal. We'll let the wine evaporate, and in the meantime we cook the pasta. Short pasta. Penne or rigatoni are perfect and traditional for this truffle pasta dish. And for this pasta we do want to salt the pasta water with coarse salt. 2 handfuls are usually the right amount. And while the pasta is cooking, we prepare the ricotta's cream. We'll steal a few ladles of hot water to add to our ricotta cheese. We just need to mix it until the ricotta is smooth and creamy. That's it. Ricotta is not only healthier than heavy cream, but much tastier. The authentic truffle pasta Norcina is always made with ricotta. Using cream instead of ricotta is a modern invention. You can even find some restaurants in Norcia that substitute cream for ricotta to save money and time. But nothing beats the ricotta in terms of flavor, so overall the substitution is a loss. If you visit a restaurant in Norcia, be sure to ask before you order if the dish is made the traditional way, with ricotta and of course the right amount of truffle, as we are about to see. And now we just need to put it all together. We have the sausage, the creamy ricotta, and the tartufo, the truffle. Our pasta is ready, cooked to al dente, and we mix it with the sausage and onions. It already smells incredible. Now we'll make this dish truly sublime by adding the star ingredient, our freshly grated truffle, tartufo in Italian. If you can't find or can't afford fresh truffle, add a splash of truffle-infused oil. But remember, the truffle is the most important ingredient in this dish, so we want to really taste it. For your reference, 8-10 grams a person of fine black truffle, the so-called nero pregiato variety, is recommended. In goes the ricotta sauce. We mix it quickly, off the heat, and plate it immediately. Let's prepare some truffle shavings. We sprinkle freshly grated pecorino cheese. Let's set the rest of our truffle in the center, the heart of Norcia. And don't forget to subscribe to Piatto recipes. Click the bell for new video notifications and let us know how you make your truffle pasta. And buon appetito!